Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to add clouds in Roblox using a few simple steps. First of all, open Roblox Studio and sign in with your account if you are not already signed in. Next, choose the experience or game where you want to add clouds or create a new one. Now, in the Explorer, under Terrain, select clouds from the list that pops up. You will immediately see the clouds appear in the sky of your scene. To adjust how the clouds look, click on clouds in the Explorer and use the Properties panel to change settings like density, cover, or even their color. This gives your game a more realistic and dynamic sky with just a few adjustments. Finally, don't forget to save your work by clicking File, then select either Save to Roblox or Publish to Roblox, depending on what stage you are at. And that's it. Now you know how to add clouds in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.